Today I'm at the Zook Cabins Village in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and the reason that I'm here is the A-Frame Retreat. Yes, that's right, a brand new model from Zook Cabins that has never been seen before. And I know that because look at these wood chips. These just got put down an hour ago. It's that new. What we're looking at here is a modular home that's 405 square feet with a max interior ceiling height at the peak of around 18 feet. I've never seen anything quite like this, so let's have a look around. I'm gonna kick this party off at the front of the home because in my opinion, this is the side that has the most wow factor. Check this out. We've got windows on windows on windows, and it looks phenomenal. Now I'm going to take a quick look down this side. We've got one window right there that is above the bed, but I'm going to head back the other direction because we are right beside the highway and the semis are buzzing by here. Here comes one now. Okay, so yeah, that's why I'm sticking to this side. Coming around this side, couple things to notice. They've got the lights in the overhang, just a nice detail that kind of takes it to another level. As far as the roof goes, it's a metal roof that's contrasted with the Luna Wood siding. Now, if you haven't heard of the Luna Wood siding, it's a Finnish company, and what they have is, I believe it's a Finnish spruce that's thermally modified, and Zook Cabins imports it and puts it on a lot of their interiors as well as the exteriors like we're seeing right here. Now, I'm gonna take a quick look at the back of the home just to see what's going on. So, good chance to check out the A-frame. It's a completely different look without the full wall of windows. So you've got one there, I believe that's into the bathroom, and that one is probably open. No, I think that is into the bathroom as well. Before I head inside, I would like to talk about how this home ships. Again, the A-Frame Retreat is 15 feet wide, so the main part of the home can be shipped in one piece. However, you're definitely not shipping this height. So the peak section of the roof ships in 3 pieces. It can fit on one truck and it gets installed on site. It's time. Let's head inside. Heading in the front door, the first thing you see once again is that wow factor. I talked about it on the outside, so I think it only makes sense that we start here on the inside as well. And as I mentioned, I'm going to go right up to the edge. From the floor up to the peak is around 18 feet, and you can definitely feel it when you're in here. It is quite spacious. I like how they've got the wood on the end wall as well as the beams running from end to end as well. So I'm going to back up a little bit and just show you how they've got this set up. So this is kind of set up at the end of the home as a bit of a nook. You can see they've got the record player there, records down below. They've got some cushions there and a chair over here. So I kind of picture people coming down here in the morning, drinking coffee, doing a bit of thinking, looking out the window, but you could really set it up however you want. Maybe you throw a yoga mat in there and sit down, stretch the old hammies. Whatever you want, you can do it. Coming around this way, I'm gonna go up and we can talk about what they've got on the wall. So this is a primed and painted birch plywood going throughout the home. And that's something I've seen from Zook on a lot of the homes, I think all of the homes that I've been in so far. And I quite like it. So here's the first look going back the other way, and again, I think we're going to go all the way up because with that peak running all the way down the home, it does kind of give it a different feel that I'm definitely not used to seeing. Right in the middle of the plan, they've got it set with the living room here. You can see they've got the TV on the wall, a little bit of an entertainment center down below, and as I come back around this way, you'll see the couch. Now, I don't even think I've mentioned this yet, but it is set up as a studio model, meaning it is open from one side to the other. However, they definitely do have different sections throughout the home. So I mentioned we've got the nook up front. We've got the living space in the middle, and behind the couch, if you look right there, they've got a place to eat dinner, kind of a dining table section right there. which is working well. Beyond that, we will move down into the kitchen, but I'll get to that in just a second. So looking down, we've got the luxury vinyl plank flooring running throughout. I'm just checking the bathroom. Yeah, it does run end to end, which looks great. And I'm gonna move from the living room into the bedroom section. That's the window above. That is the only window on that highway facing wall. This is a king bed right here, without a doubt. Look at the size of this. So you can see just how much space is available for the bed section. They've taken the most with the king bed, and they've still got room for a side table on either side. Coming around this way, little sneak peek into the bathroom, which does have an absolute vibe in it. We're gonna look at the kitchen first. I wanted to say kitchenette at first. However, based on the size of the fridge and the amount of cabinets, this is almost more of a kitchen. However, it doesn't have a stove, so we will stick with kitchenette for this description. They've got the 2-burner cooktop here, some drawers down below, soft close. Yep, how are you? They are a painted green, which I do like the look of. Not something you see every day. They've got a bank of 3 drawers there. They've got the usual under the sink storage there before getting to the fridge. So, yep, that's a fridge. And above that, they've got the microwave. That bit of storage there, and coming around this way, kind of where the pantry section of the cabinets go. I'm guessing, I don't know this for sure, but just based on the shape, this might be the hot water tank. Boom, how are you? I'm 1 for 1. That never happens. All right, I'm feeling good now. Okay, here we go, into the bathroom. This is probably the most decked out section of the entire home. They've got the Luna wood siding in here. They've gone with more of a dark finish. So if I look up there, they've painted the plywood, what are we gonna call this? Dark gray, let's say. It's almost showing green in the video, but in person, I would call it a dark gray. They've got the dark shower in here, which looks awesome. It's kind of like a moody vibe in here. I feel like, I don't know what I feel like, but it does look good. So I'm gonna pan around because there's more to talk about, but first we're gonna tuck into this corner and have a look at the towel storage. You can really store whatever you want in there. And how about this? Nice soaker tub right below the window with the elongated faucet coming out of the wall. That looks pretty cool. And then we will go down this direction and check out the vanity. Have a look at this strip LED right there. I don't mind that look at all. What do you think? Okay, to the vanity, we've got this big drawer coming out right there. Lots of space to store your things. Storage underneath. And we've got the black sink mirror up above. Couple shelves on the end wall for your extra stuff. And beside the vanity, there it is, a black toilet. All in all, the A-Frame Retreat from Zook Cabins. I'm a big fan. This place is just so cool. There you have it, folks, the A-Frame Retreat from Zook Cabins, a brand new model that's 405 square feet. It's a studio layout with the 18-foot max ceiling height at the peak, and honestly, it's unlike anything that I've ever seen in the space before. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here at the Zook Cabins Village. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.